As much as we love to go on vacations, packing seems to be a thorn in everyone's side. Here to help us master the art of packing with finesse is mother and daughter duo Alison Bruhn and Delia Folk, founders of The Style That Binds Us. Ladies, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you for having us. We're so excited to be here.
All the way from New York City, but we're bringing you down to the Low Country. Now, Delia, can you give us a quick overview of what is The Style That Binds Us?
Yes, The Style That Binds Us is a media company, and also we have personal styling services. We have a mini magazine, podcast, YouTube channel, blog, newsletter, social media channels. We host events with designers. We curate shopping experiences in New York City, so please come shop with us.
Quite a powerhouse, if I can say so myself. So we're talking about packing tips from a stylist, and now, you know, we can go to the beach, we can go to the mountains. But what are some essential things that we should always have with us when we're traveling, regardless of the destination?
Well, this is coming from a stylist who also talks with professional stylists who work with celebrities on the red carpet or when they go to a photo shoot, for example. This is just something that we think that everybody should have in their bag. I keep mine packed all the time with my suitcase, so I don't have to repack it. But anyway, you want to show this? Oh, sure. So here we go. Something just this size. And if anything that you think of that normally you would say to yourself, oh, I wish I had brought blank. Or when you're on a group trip and people always say, does anybody have a whatever that is? That's the things that you need in your kit. And so, for example, shout wipes. They come in little individual packages. They're perfect. That you can have. I keep one in my purse all the time. We have things like, we have little miniature scissors. We have Band-Aids, bobby pins, safety pins, fabric tape. These things are obviously a little big for this, but this goes along with the stylist kit. A small umbrella, because even, you know, when the weather says it's going to be sunny all week, showers are going to occur, right?
Mm-hmm.
So an extension cord, because there are never enough plugs for hair tools, laptops, and then things like cortisone cream. Maybe you don't ever think about that, but especially if you're in the mountains or you're at the beach and you get a bug bite or a rash, to run out somewhere to buy something. So cortisone cream is a good thing to have, and any kind of like general body balm type thing.
And you know, how do you ladies feel about a little steamer?
Oh, yes, we use
That's a must.
Yes, that is a must. And so many people don't have them. And they are, you know, we use them every day, but also especially on a trip, because you never know if you're in a hotel, if the iron is going to work or ruin your clothes or whatever. It's really, it's a super important part of packing.
Absolutely. And now also jewelry. You know, no matter what time of year, we always like to have something to, you know, spice up our style. How do we pack jewelry so it doesn't get all knotted up, to keep it organized and to keep it nice?
Exactly. So when you are traveling, what the jewelry you're bringing, you want to wear as much of that as possible without looking ridiculous. What you're not wearing, you don't have to go overboard and wear everything, but what you're not wearing, pack carefully and keep in your handbag. Keep it with you at all times. The secret to making sure your necklaces aren't going to get tangled, you can cut a plastic straw in half, put the necklace through and clasp it. So this is how you can pack your necklaces.
I don't know why I never thought about that, but it's so simple. It makes so much sense.
Right, and you can have different length straws for different length necklaces.
So we could go into the weeds about all the different packing techniques, but we only have a short amount of time today. Where can our viewers go to find out more information about how to unpack, how to pack properly? Where can they go to find that?
Yes, exactly. If you go to the blog on the Style That Binds Us website, and for example, if you typed in how to unpack like a stylist, Mom takes us through once she arrives at her destination, how she unpacks. So that's a great place to start. And then also how to pack jewelry. We have a whole YouTube video about more in depth with packing your jewelry for trips.
Okay, wonderful. Ladies, thank you so much. And we are actually having you back on the show next week. So we'll see you soon. This is not a goodbye forever, but thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Of course. We're back in 2 minutes.